Canada isn't just about nature. Its cities are vibrant, diverse, and full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Each city offers a unique blend of culture, history, and modern attractions that make them truly unforgettable destinations. From lively downtowns to cozy neighborhoods, Canadian cities pulse with energy and creativity. Let's explore the top cities you must visit in Canada, each with its own special charm and story to tell. Nestled between majestic mountains and the sparkling Pacific Ocean, Vancouver is a perfect mix of nature and modern city life. Outdoor enthusiasts will love the endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and water sports, all just minutes from downtown. Explore the lush trails of Stanley Park, the bustling Granville Island Market, and soak in endless waterfront views. Vancouver's food scene is also a highlight, with fresh seafood and global flavors around every corner. Canada's largest city, Toronto, is a multicultural hub filled with soaring skyscrapers, vibrant neighborhoods, street food, and world-class museums. The city's diversity is reflected in its festivals, restaurants, and art scene. And of course, you can't miss the famous CN Tower, offering breathtaking views of the city and beyond. Montreal is a city where French charm meets modern energy, creating a vibrant atmosphere that's both historic and cutting-edge. Known for its lively festivals, thriving art scene, and incredible food, Montreal is a cultural hotspot. From jazz to street art, there's always something happening in this creative city. Don't miss the historic Old Montreal district, where cobblestone streets and centuries-old buildings transport you to another era. Quebec City feels like a fairy tale with its winding cobblestone streets, fortified city walls, and charming squares. The city's European flair is unmistakable, making it a favorite for romantics and history lovers alike. Admire the centuries-old architecture and the iconic Chateau Frontenac. It's one of the oldest and most beautiful cities in North America, offering a magical experience year-round. Famous for the Calgary Stampede and its gateway to the Rockies, Calgary mixes cowboy spirit with urban charm. The city's lively festivals, modern art galleries, and proximity to breathtaking national parks make it a must-visit for adventure seekers. Canada's capital city, Ottawa, is filled with history, fascinating museums, and natural beauty. The city's riverside setting and green spaces make it perfect for exploring on foot or by bike. Don't miss the iconic Parliament buildings and the scenic Rideau Canal, which transforms into the world's longest skating rink in winter, drawing visitors from around the globe. On the West Coast, Victoria is a charming coastal city known for its British influence, stunning gardens like Butchart Gardens, and unforgettable whale-watching adventures. The city's relaxed pace and scenic harbor make it a perfect getaway. From towering skylines to cobblestone streets, Canada's cities are as diverse and beautiful as its landscapes. Each city offers a new adventure, a different flavor, and a unique perspective on Canadian life. So, which one would you visit first? Will you wander through historic streets, marvel at modern skylines, or dive into local festivals and food? Subscribe for more travel guides and city explorations, and start planning your Canadian adventure today.